Hello, this is David Deshane, and all your roofing contractors out there, I just want to let you guys know that we have done the final polishing of Roof Estimate Pro software. This has been completely updated. We've added the calendar. We've added email. It's really a powerful piece of software. I'm going to go through real quick and just show you some of the features here. When you're entering your company data, you can enter your name, address of the company, email, telephone, fax, the contact person. Also, you get the ability to upload your own logos now. So you can add your own logos in. It'll put it all in the contracts. Also, the customer data. We've done some updates on this as well. There's a lot of good little pieces in here, with the photos and everything. And it's all connected to the new piece, which is the calendar we just put in. Quick search, you can do a quick search on anybody here that you're looking for any of the anybody in the database. Also, the job info. The job info you can go through and click and add and do all your features like we talked about in the previous versions. Add the roof sections, schedule payments, upload images to your contracts, photos of any job sites you've done. Really a great way to promote your business. You know, a lot of software programs have an upload center where you can upload maybe your image, but not photos of a job. This has everything in here. This is really a great piece of upload software. You can upload everything from any jobs that you're doing. Just get your digital camera, go back, upload any photos of jobs that you've done. Now, what I recommend is you get a digital camera and you start a database. What I've done is I've gone through and I've categorized, jobs that I've done. We take photos of each year, and we have these all kept in our files that we use all the time for any jobs. If something's in progress or customers need some information on a job that you're working on, you can simply pull up the file. The software will upload it for you, put it into your system. Just type in the Jones residence, and it adds it right to your database. It's nice. It's clean. It's a great way to build your database into your software. The Roof Estimate Pro software has everything included that I have ever used. Like I said, I've used 3 programs. This one has everything. Google Maps, you can actually look up the property. I've shown a little bit of this in the previous versions of the videos that I've had. You can zoom right into the property. You can move it around. I mean, this is free. This doesn't cost anything for this, but we've added it to the program so you have the ability to be able to zoom in and take a look around the neighborhood that you're working on. It's a great little feature. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. We use it right. Google Maps is free, but it's a nice little feature. You can get an overlook of the whole property. I mean, you don't get the square footage, but you can look and see what's around the property. It's really nice. I like that little added feature. Instead of opening another program or looking at your Windows, open another browser. Now, you just hit save. You can add all the different features that are in there, invoice, estimate, whatever you're adding to that. This is really going to help you guys. You can print things to email. You can add all the customer names. It's just... everything's in here. It's a great little piece of software. You guys are going to love this, and for the price, I've looked at software programs for any type of stuff. You're talking $300. We're doing this for only $99.50, and you get everything that's in here. Also, the scheduling software. This is a great little piece. Everything's in your database, so you keep everything. Not only all your jobs, but now your scheduling software. So you go ahead. You've got a customer, you've got a roof estimate. Let's see, roof estimate for, Portland. You go ahead, set the time, see if it's anything that's important, personal, or anything like that. But you can add anything. Customer name, you want to click on the customer name, that pumps it in. You get all the info. You go through, set the time, the date. Let's see, it's at 9 a.m. Click OK. So whatever day we put it in, I think we put it on the 14th. It's right there for you. It's in your calendar. It's great. Calendar software alone, another $97. Everything's listed in here. You can do the month. You can do the 2-week view. You double click on it, and there it is. So it keeps it all in your database. It's really, this is made for roofing contractors, and anybody that thinks this isn't going to help you. This has everything you need as a roofer to keep going and growing your business. Also, All the sales price lists are all in here. I've gone through and I've added a bunch in here for you guys, but certainly you can change any of this just by simply going through here and changing it, changing the pricing. There's so many different things in here for you guys. You'll have a blast going through. Now, sending the emails. This is one of the best features. I love it. It's great. It's tied right to your Outlook. That's what we've linked it to because most people have Outlook. You want to send an email? Great. Go ahead. Send it over. Hit the save button. Make your own templates. You want to send an email to, we'll say, a customer. Thank you for meeting with us. Okay, that's great, Mr. Jones. Appreciate it. Thank you for having us out here today. There's so many options here for you. The options are endless. You're going to love the Outlook. Let's see. You want to add an email, make your own templates up. Everything combined. It's so powerful to have all these features. You can do the forms. You can make your own blank templates. We like this program. This is probably one of my favorites of all time. We're going to go through here, create email to send them a message. You want to say, hey, thank you, Mr. Jones, for meeting with us today. Hit the create button. This is all templated. Put your name, company name up here, the address of your company. We edit undo. Okay, going to go ahead and put everything in there. Thanks for meeting with us sincerely. Your name, whoever your company name, your phone number. Send it right out to them. I've sent this to me personally. You can also attach files. I'm just going to show you how this works. You want to put a photo in there, put a photo in there, whatever it is, and hit send. Automatically it sends it, so it's going to be instantaneous. You just hit cancel, and it's automatically gets sent out to them. It's a great piece of software, and once again, it's all linked to your calendar, your database, your customer. Everything's in here, guys. You're gonna have a blast with this. Also, all your products. If you want to add some different product list or anything, I've added down in the download center. You'll get images of all these files, so you can look at all these pictures. You can add whatever you want for products. Like I said, I've gone ahead and put in some of my own products that I use. You'll have the ability to change whatever products you guys, whatever you're using. GAF, Owens Corning, Certainteed, ICO, whatever you're using. The general directories this is like your Windows data file. This is going to have all your information in here. You can go through, you can make changes, add whatever you want for any type of categories. Great piece of software. Also, the configuration, if you wanted to, you can change the look of all your database by changing the colors, the different look of the layout, buttons. Everyone wants your own little look. You can customize this to any way you want. And that's all inclusive in the program. That was another feature we added. And everything's in here. So, guys, this has everything for you in your roofing business. Roof Estimate Pro, the #1 software program for roofers on the internet. And it's going to be available, for you guys. So go ahead, hit the download button. Go ahead, and we'll see you guys in the program.